Before even getting to space, the final frontier, this planet really needs to get its connectivity issues sorted out. Fortunately, AST SpaceMobile is already working on that through their service designed to provide cellular broadband services to end users who are out of terrestrial cellular coverage using existing mobile devices with connectivity capabilities from 2G to 5G, which will be made possible by a constellation of high-powered large phased array satellites in LEO, low Earth orbit. But before you think about taking selfies in remote locations and trying to video call or look up directions when you get lost, you should pay attention to Globla Star. Like ASTS, they aim to improve connectivity in out-of-reach areas, though they try to be differentiated with their wholesale satellite capacity, terrestrial spectrum and network solutions, IoT and legacy services, along with developing two-way commercial IoT products to expand their opportunities in the market. For example, two-way voice communication and data transmissions through their GSP 1600 and GSP 1700 phone, duplex. One-way or two-way communication using mobile devices like Spot, one-way data transmissions for location tracking, satellite network access services. Aside from consumer sectors, Global Star also intends to target industrial and governmental applications. Then when talking about payloads sent into space, Redwire provides products and services like avionics and sensors, power generation, structures, RF systems, platforms, payloads and missions, and microgravity payloads with the aim of creating sustainable space infrastructure for future generations. They have government and commercial customers and focus on the areas of enabling space mission providers, providing infrastructure for human exploration in space, and assisting international allies in developing organic space capabilities. This alludes to military and defense applications, which L3Harris Technologies is well versed in. They cater to government customers in over 100 countries, mainly serving the U.S. government, their contractors, and international allies, with their main offerings being space and airborne systems, integrated mission systems, defense electronics, and commercial aviation solutions, all of which can often be supported by systems and research in space or be directly linked to space technology. Focusing more on the exploration and commercialization side of space is Rocket Lab, a key player in the new generation of launch vehicles such as Electron and Neutron, which are making space more accessible. They also operate launch infrastructure to achieve frequent and reliable launches. To be even more comprehensive, Rocket Lab provides space systems that are described as the building blocks for spacecraft. Think components like composite structures, reaction wheels, star trackers, radios, command and control spacecraft software, flight and ground software services, high-voltage space-grade batteries, and separation systems. Please check out the detailed video on Rocket Lab and these other companies to learn more about what they do. And for more on other sectors like robotics and electric vehicles, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.